Hello everybody and welcome. So today we're going to be taking a look at a project I made a few months ago. It's called Havoc, and what it is a 2D multiplayer game, and it has a pretty simple functionality, but the key features here are it is multiplayer. So I wrote a bunch of netcode from scratch myself using some SDL utilities, and I wrote the graphics myself using SDL. And I also made a map editor, which is pretty nice. I use it to make the level that you're going to see here in a minute here. So let me go ahead and join a server. So right now on my desktop behind me, I have the game server running, and there's a player connected to it. So if I go to the IP address here, we will join, and we get connected here. And we see there's another player down here. So I'm the person in the middle of the screen, and we see there's another player down here at the bottom of the screen. And so I can click and I can shoot lightning bolts at him, super fun stuff. And if I go to the desktop, I can move it around, and I can also shoot, and you'll see that on my screen, the player is moving and their lightning bolts are being shot around. So yeah, it's pretty basic, but it's some really cool functionality. I wrote the server and the client using networking code that I've never done before this. So this is my first time, and I think it's pretty awesome. It looks a little bit jittery if you sort of pay attention to the guy. It's kind of jittery. That's because I'm not really interpolating between states that are received at different points in time. But that could be solved. So yeah, this is basically the entire functionality. The other thing that I did is I wrote a map editor. So if we walk around, you can see this level. It's comprised of little tiles. So I wrote a map editor that you can use to place the tiles down. They don't really have any functionality, but yeah, so this is basically the whole project. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and end it there. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.